Tell the camera where we at, man.
We're at Grand Turks and Caicos.
Man, say Grand Cove.
Put it all together.
I wonder when they started needing your ID to get on.
Always. Never was not a time.
Not Grand Turks.
You need your ID to get back on. They don't want some strangers coming back on the phone.
Yeah, you just usually sell them sign card.
Nope. Always, no matter where you go. You didn't bring your time?
No, I'm just use yours.
No, that ain't happening.
Huh?
That ain't happening.
Right now we're going to deck 0 to get off the ship. Whenever we get an island, we gotta go to deck 0.
You guys got off the boat yet? The room key. Oh. I need your room key. Okay.
Yeah. Huh?
You gonna run and get it. Well, that's what they said. You wanna go to the pool or the beach? Now there's only 2. Sun?
Yeah, it's not too much sun on the head part. It's not busy how it normally is. I said it's not busy how it normally
I got a
is.
free shot for you if you grab your drink and a souvenir cup. So if you did not get your free shot,
across there and see if we can find some seats over there.
Huh?
Can we go across there and find some seats over there?
Margaritaville doing
Probably no chairs. It ain't busy, but no.
Yeah. Appreciate it, dog. This shirt is hard. Huh?
That was just cool too. Like one chair right there.
You should know that as much time as you've been in Grand Turks.
I never go way over there. I always come right here. Remember if they have a pharmacy here? No.
No, I don't remember. I don't know when we come to the shops. So when we come to Grand Turks, there's only like 3 options you can really do.
What?
Go to the shopping center,
Which is this?
the pool,
Yeah.
and the beach. That's right next to the ship.
Well, you can always do an excursion.
Yeah, but like they set everything up so you won't even have to go anywhere.
Right. But the thing is, like, let's say you've been here so many times. You've been so many times that you might get tired of this whole setting. You know what I mean? You decide, you know what, let me do an excursion.
Have you ever did an excursion here?
I don't think so.
Have we? Or
I don't think so, because everything's here, so that's always the thing. I remember last time we came, and Joe made us an excursion. I think it was it's another island where everything was all set up.
Amber Cove?
Maybe so.
Yeah, it was.
And I was so mad. It's like, what a waste.
Where did we sit? I said, where is our chair?
Where's what?
Oh yeah, I see it. How much was the cabanas? Remember that one year you guys got it?
I don't know.
It was like $100 or something? $60?
It's more than that.
Huh?
It's more than that.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
What'd you do to the pool, man?
Finding clovers.
Huh?
Get in yet, alright?
They said they're opening it back up.
And just said, say why or whatever.
Maybe somebody,
Had a situation.
yeah.
I see somebody that was bleeding.
Oh yeah.
They were able to come in there and just find it. See?
Yeah. Made everyone get out the pool. And someone started bleeding up their head or something. Looking for you, dog. I was looking for you. Going back on the ship.
Oh,
going back on the ship?
Yeah. Yep. Why, you found what you was looking for?
You just kept going left.
What was you looking for? I think you were trying to buy a necklace or something. So what was you doing? Was walking around? Yeah, there's really nothing to do. We closed the pool, so. Yeah, we go there tomorrow. It's just like this, pretty much. The whole setup. It's a little more spread out though. I don't think there's no shops there though. I'm gonna try to eat a burger with mac and cheese on it.
With top of each other?
Huh?
On top of each other?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the mac and cheese on top of the burger.
I love it like the mac and cheese you get from the barbecue place.
Yeah. I didn't try anything else but the burger and the mac and cheese so far.
We tired. They closed the pool on us.
You remember that flyer that I made for the cruise I'm going on in the summer?
Yeah.
The picture of the boat, I took it right here. The picture of the boat, I took it right here. Yeah. It's a good thing about this port. Everything is literally right there. Beach, the pool, and convenience shops.
Food is right there.
Hmm?
That's everything.
You wasn't telling me I was about to walk into the glass?
Huh?
I thought you wasn't going to tell me I was about to walk into the glass.
I didn't know you were. Thank you. Let's go.
That's me. Go get that mac and cheese and put it on my burger. About to go crazy on the eatery today. I'm gonna be eating all day. I'm gonna try to get my nappings. The whole time I've been on the boat, I haven't taken a nap yet. Like a cruise nap, that's what you call it. Take a nap during midday. You ever tried a mac and cheese burger, man? Go and try it. Gotta get a soda from the cabin, so I made an Arnold Palmer. Iced tea lemonade. This something different. This is straight up fire. You guys see this on the menu? This is because of me. I'm jacking that. Mac and cheese from the barbecue spot on Guy's burger. Put a little bit of lettuce and onions on there too. Now that the ship is type empty, I can finally record on here and feel comfortable, where I can also hear myself and hopefully you guys can hear me. Footage today might look different because I'm using my GoPro. Much easier to record on GoPro than my phone. We got on the ship, back on the ship early because one, they closed the pool and the water was cold, so the beach water was cold and the pool water was cold. It's like, I want to say 84 degrees out here today. Kinda wanted to get a look at this shit. I've never been on a Holland cruise before. Where's this walking from? Literally bought this lens for this cruise. Well, this filter, not the lens.
It's okay.
You guys that don't know, this is an infamous ship that had burned down months ago. Well, the whale tail is gone. And I guess they left it off because it'll be way too expensive to fix, and it looks like the heritage ship. You see the aftermath. All this soot and burn marks, I guess. Oil. But as you can see, this ship is run down. I wouldn't say it's close to being shipped to the shipyard, but it is getting there. May I have a dirty banana?
Sorry?
Dirty banana? No.
Hey, can I go pina colada with Malibu?
Yeah, I'm gonna play ball real quick. I'm gonna play too serious. I ain't trying to hurt myself at all. Gotta put the Crocs in sports mode real quick. Bust these little kids out real quick, son. Do my last walk around before I head back to the room. Might just sit here for a little bit, cool out. Pretty much just like chilling around the ship, walking around, sitting in random places, and relaxing. I'm pretty tired though. I'm about to go try to take a nap. Pretty thirsty. Do got water, mad water in the room, so I'm planning to drink some of that stuff, get a lemonade, and dry myself out more. My room's literally 2 floors up from the club. Now that I think about it, the last time I was on the Freedom, I think I was on this floor, like right above the club type shit. On the 7th floor on this side somewhere. Ooh, it's hot in here. AC, why? Why is it on the heat? Before I forget, I wanted to show y'all my fit from last night. This is my almost night fit. I have my hair up too. I don't feel like doing Sachi shades, tag healer, Hermes belt, Mason Margiela Reeboxes, some slacks, and dress shirt. Promise you, you will never be the flyest person on the boat if I'm on the boat with y'all. But I like showing off my outfits, so I actually just put this on real quick because I already had it out. My mother put it away. This is the third day. Like I said, if I'm on a boat, I will be the freshest person on that boat. No comp. Unless my cousins is on there or my brothers. Then it's a friendly competition between us. I'm wearing some rings too. Look like a Migo. This was on the cruise. I know it's not focusing. See my mother and me, my pops. I think this had to be like 2001 maybe, or even 2000, because I know this picture they took it on 2000, and no, they took this picture in 99, and my first cruise was in 2000. I don't know if this was it or not. Usually if we're the first ship here at port, we're parked on that side. So we'll be parked right there if we're the first person or the first ship at the port. As you can see, the island ship had left, so now we can see the whole island. And if you remember, if you get port side, you'll always be parked facing the port.